When you saw kitchen design ideas on magazines and internet, did you also see that most of them are U-shaped kitchen designs? Yes, many people choose this kitchen design for their home. U-shaped kitchen designs can be applied in small or large space of house. Because of its shape, it allows you to cook and prepare wherever you want since the space for countertop is large with the 3 side spaces. It also provides plenty of storage for kitchen appliances. Here are the advantages of U-shaped kitchen that make people love to use the design. One thing that people have to consider when they build or remodel kitchen is the working triangle. What is that? It is the 3 main working area in the kitchen: cooking area, which is the area of oven or stove; washing area, which is the area of sink; and storage area, which is the area of refrigerator. Those 3 appliances are the most important of the kitchen. If you want to make your work in the kitchen highly efficient, you have to make sure you can easily reach those areas without any obstacles surround them. And U-shaped kitchen design is right for the requirement. With ample storage provided by its 3 sides and kitchen cabinets, you can decide where to put the appliances. The design also gives you less traffic in the kitchen. It means you can easily access all kitchen appliances and you can easily see all the nooks in the kitchen too. In other words, U-shaped kitchen designs allow you to handle the kitchen area that you might not do the same with other design.